Here we have a 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw, 3/4 horsepower, 115 volt. I'm going to fire it up for you and just show you that it does operate. This is a 4-speed belt drive. It has a hydraulic down feed on it, adjustable. And when the head gets down, this red tab hits the switch, turns the machine off. We checked the coolant pump on here. Everything operates very nicely. It does have some minor shipping distress. The plastic fan shroud and the plastic fan for the motor, it was in pieces, so we just kind of removed everything on there. The motor's okay. There's also this plastic junction box here. It got smashed. All these parts are replaceable. You can purchase from NCO or MSC. Has a couple little minor cosmetic scratches on it, nothing major. Also, your belt tensioner plastic knob broke off too during transit. Okay, you can pull this off and actually use a wrench on it, or you can replace the whole handle. It includes your belt guard, plastic belt guard, and you got 4 casters, and it includes 2 axles. And you got your material stop, your vertical cutting plate. You can also cut vertically with this, and then your instruction and parts manual. Here's your coolant pump and tank. There's a small dent right here. This adjuster bolt right here is just slightly bent. We checked out the vise. The vise operates. Just pull that out. Now it's got a few metal shavings on it from when we ran it, and just this brass off the wires here. I think this just needs a slight adjustment, but it doesn't appear that this has been used to cut any metal with it. That's why we're saying it's unused. Just has some minor shipping distress.